Hello, I'm Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, one of the leading training providers for Amazon interviews, trusted by thousands of candidates to help them secure roles across Amazon departments and other top employers. And in this video, I'm going to help you succeed at your Amazon software development interview by showing you the style of questions you'll likely face and how to answer them with confidence. Oh, and don't forget to let me know in the comments which Amazon software development role you are applying for, and I'll personally reply with extra tips and tailored questions to help you prepare. Let's get straight into the Amazon software development interview questions. Here is question number 1. Describe a time you failed at something and what you learned from it. Now, why is this question being asked? Well, it's being asked to test your humility, your growth mindset, and how you learn from setbacks. These are all key to Amazon's leadership principles: learn and be curious, and earn trust. Therefore, in your answer, make sure you be honest and show that you can take responsibility, reflect on lessons learned, and adapt to prevent similar mistakes in the future. And a great bonus tip before I give you my powerful top scoring answer is to structure your answer using the STAR method. STARR. Situation. You start your answer off with the situation that you faced, that you found yourself in. You then move on to T for task and describe what was the task that needed to be carried out. You then move on to A for action. What action did you take to achieve the task? The first R is for result. What was the end result following your actions? And the final R is for reflection. What did you learn from this experience? So here is a fantastic top scoring answer using that STAR structure to help you. Describe a time you failed at something and what you learned from it. Early in my career, I was leading a small internal tool project designed to automate part of our QA process. I was excited about the challenge and wanted to prove myself by delivering quickly. I took full ownership of the development and decided to push ahead without doing much user testing, thinking I had a solid understanding of what was needed. I built and deployed the tool in under 2 weeks, but when the QA team started using it, they found it unintuitive and missed several key features. I had made assumptions without validating them, and as a result, the tool wasn't adopted. It was disappointing, but I owned the mistake. I scheduled feedback sessions with the QA team, rewrote key parts of the tool with their input, and ultimately released a much more useful version. This time, adoption was smooth, and the tool saved the team hours each week. I learned the importance of slowing down to validate assumptions and involve end users early. Since then, I always take the time for feedback and small test cycles before full deployment. That failure actually helped me become a more collaborative and user-focused developer. That was a top scoring answer to that Amazon software development interview style question that will impress the hiring manager. Now let's move on to the next essential software development interview question that I recommend you prepare for, which is, tell me about a time when you disagreed with a team member and how you resolved it. Now, why are they asking you this question? Well, they want to understand how you manage conflicts, how you use collaboration and stay focused on shared goals in a team environment. That is vital to Amazon's success. Therefore, in your answer, make sure you demonstrate emotional intelligence, active listening, and the commitment to the best outcome, not just being right. How do we do that? Well, here is a fantastic top scoring answer, again using that STAR structure. Tell me about a time when you disagreed with a team member and how you resolved it. In a previous role, I was working on a feature with another developer. We disagreed on how to structure part of the backend. He wanted to build a custom solution, and I preferred using a proven third-party library to save time. Our goal was to deliver the feature quickly without sacrificing quality, but the disagreement was slowing progress and starting to affect team morale. I suggested we step back and look at the pros and cons of each approach together, including long-term maintenance and testing. We reviewed performance benchmarks, team familiarity with the library, and the potential risks of writing custom code under time pressure. I also asked for input from a senior engineer to get a neutral perspective. In the end, we agreed to use the third-party library, but with additional wrapper functions to make it easier to swap out later if needed. The solution worked well, and the feature shipped on time. The conversation also improved how we handled disagreements going forward. More collaborative, less defensive. I learned that disagreements aren't a bad thing. They often lead to better decisions if handled with openness and respect. It also reinforced the importance of clear communication, listening, and staying focused on the shared goal. Now, don't go anywhere, as I still have plenty more Amazon software development style interview questions and the brilliant answers coming up for you. But imagine having the scoring sheet your interviewer could use to assess you. Well, now you can. When you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right-hand corner or in the pinned comment below this video at any point during this training. That link will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly download my Amazon Software Development Interview Success Pack. With this pack, you'll get that Amazon Software Development style interview score sheet created by How to Become to help assess you against the Amazon leadership principles. That is what you'll be assessed against during your interview. Plus, you'll get 30 of the most commonly asked Amazon software development style interview questions, each with expert proven answers to help you prepare to pass. You'll also get the Amazon Software Development Technical Interview Questions and Answers Workbook, suitable for all job roles, and free 30-day access to our online best-selling interview course with over 50 video modules to boost your confidence and performance. This really is a formidable pack that will help you prepare to pass your Amazon interview. Thousands of people have used these exact strategies to land jobs at Amazon and other top employers. And if it doesn't help you, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. Click that link now or check the pinned comment below when you're ready. And let's keep going with even more questions and answers to help you to succeed. Describe a time when you took ownership of a project. Question number 3. This question's being asked to evaluate your accountability, your initiative, and your ability to lead based on Amazon's ownership principle. Therefore, in your answer, highlight how you stepped up, how you drove progress without being asked, and how you delivered measurable results for the team or business. Here is a fantastic top-scoring answer to help you. Describe a time when you took ownership of a project. In my previous role as a software developer at a mid-sized tech company, we were preparing to launch a new feature for one of our key clients, a real-time analytics dashboard. The project was behind schedule due to unclear requirements and shifting priorities. The team was starting to lose momentum, and we risked missing a hard deadline. Although I wasn't the team lead, I decided to take ownership of the project's delivery. I started by clarifying the core requirements with our product manager and breaking down the work into smaller, achievable chunks. I reorganized our sprint board, set daily check-ins to maintain focus, and handled the most complex part of the codebase, integrating a new charting library with our existing APIs. I also volunteered to speak directly with the client during weekly updates, which helped rebuild trust. We delivered the feature on time, and the client was really happy with the outcome. My manager praised me for stepping up without being asked, and the experience showed me how much impact you can have just by taking initiative. It also improved how our team managed handovers and sprint planning in future projects. Taking ownership taught me that leadership isn't always about titles. It's about seeing something that needs to get done and stepping forward. It's one of the reasons I'm excited about Amazon's culture of ownership, because that's how I naturally like to work. Okay, Amazon software development style question number 4 is explain how you would design Amazon.com's homepage. I love this question. It's being asked to test your system design thinking, your prioritization, and your knowledge of scalable user-focused architecture. In your answer, make sure you balance technical clarity and customer experience. Mention scalability, modularity, and performance, and always tie decisions back to the user needs. It's a customer-focused website. Here is a top-scoring answer to help you. Explain how you would design Amazon.com's homepage. To design Amazon.com's homepage, I'd start by focusing on the customer experience. It's the first impression many users get, so it needs to be fast, reliable, and personalized. I'd work with product and design teams to define the key goals, things like personalized recommendations, easy navigation, and promotion visibility. Technically, I'd use a modular front end, probably React, so we can reuse components and run A/B tests easily. I'd design the back end with a microservices approach, using APIs for data like user preferences, deals, and inventory. Caching would be critical for speed, and I'd consider AWS tools like CloudFront, Lambda, and S3 for performance and scalability. Accessibility, mobile responsiveness, and fast load times would be priorities from day one. And of course, I'd recommend releasing features iteratively with strong test coverage and A/B testing to ensure we're delivering measurable improvements. I know Amazon values innovation, so I'd focus on building something that not only works well, but constantly improves based on data and customer feedback. So those are just some of the key Amazon software development style interview questions that you must be preparing for. But if you want the full list of all 30 Amazon software development style questions, along with expert answers to help you succeed first time, the job interview score sheet tailored to Amazon software development roles, and the Amazon software development technical interview questions and answers workbook, then click that link right now in the top right hand corner or on the pinned comment below. It will take you straight to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly access every answer, template, and workbook all in one downloadable package. It's a brilliant resource designed to give you the edge and boost your chances of success, and more importantly, make you stand out from the competition. So make sure you check it out. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their interviews, and your support really helps me continue creating these videos. Also, hit that like button if you found this video helped you. It's a small click that makes a big difference. If you have any questions about Amazon software development interviews or any job role, drop them in the comment section below. I reply to all comments with tips, advice, and support. And finally, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. I love connecting with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your Amazon software development interview. You've got this.